guys, this is advnture and time for some Dr. Fuzzy action! Never mind, this is pretty boring. Hello everybody, this is advnture and today we are doing a video. An upside down video. This was a terrible start, but I don't care because I'm gonna do a stuffed animal. Hi guys, I'm Yarny Red, and I'm Yellow, and I'm Piggy Pig. You mean pig. Whatever. So today we're going to have an adventure, which is going to involve lots of horns for some reason. Corny. How is that corny? Come on, can you ever get a joke? There's no corn in it, dude. Plus, you remind me of corn. You're yellow. Hey. What? What? That's so... What's so funny? Nothing. Well, anyways, let's go on our adventure. Yeah. Okay. We should go in a bag or something. Or a hoverboard. Let's fly. Hey, don't do Mario. This is Angry Birds. Oh, look, Ender Gamer's in the video now. Hi, I'm Ender Gamer 55. Oh no, I fell. I'll save you. We'll cut out this part because I don't like footage of us going downstairs. Yeah, last time I fell off the stairs while singing. Oh yeah, I remember that video. Mr. Cowie uploaded it. I just got it. Outside, we're outside. Okay, so what do you want to do outside? Ooh, swingies. Well, I remember one of those swings being covered up in bird poop. Oh yeah, I remember that video. It doesn't even exist. I know, right? That was such an awesome video. Let's go on this swing. Whee! 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 So, I don't know what's gonna happen next, but I don't know. So let's land here, and then... Evil is coming! Help! 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 Evil's coming! Ah! Ah! Yeah, no! Oh no! Oh no! No! Ah! Oh no! No! Evil is coming for you! Evil is coming for you! And mostly, evil is coming for you! But I'm supposed to be evil. No! All you do is try to steal eggs! And all you guys do is lay eggs! So evil is coming to you! Ready to go to the moon? Now, gotta turn the crank. Evil is coming to all of you. Guys, quickly, I just to say I'll see you in the next episode that will be uploaded tomorrow. And bye bye.